My name's Huw Howell. I work for a company called Pebble Engineering. We're consultant engineers based in Aberavon. We set up almost 18 months ago, myself and two colleagues, fellow directors, Ken Rogers and Dave Ollier. We'd worked together for close on a quarter of a century for another large company, and when they decided to close the doors, we thought, well, let's give it a go. I guess the biggest challenge we've come across is sort of picking ourselves up, having been made redundant, to sort of, let's say, maintain some sort of motivation to, yeah, let's give it a go, let's go for it. We've been helped an awful lot by Busnes Wales. I don't want to say day one, before day one, we went on a number of training courses run by Busnes Wales. One was called Taking the Plunge, actually making the first step into starting your own company. So from very early on we were given a business mentor. It was great just to be able to bounce ideas off them. We feel that the mentoring we've had locally has been excellent. But I certainly wouldn't want to, let's say, mention famous people who you know from the television or anything else. It's the down-to-earth local advice and help and assistance we've had from, certainly through Busnes Wales. Being flexible, now this is something which we've enjoyed being. We used to work for a big multinational company where you couldn't be so flexible, but really we can be all things to all men.